windshield. Or just, you know, essentially something to adapt to, man.
Okay, ram my rims and take this car right here.
Yeah.
Hey, got it.
You talking about rapping the right? You talking about doing everything? What you talking about doing everything?
Shit, we gotta get some rap.
Shit, you gotta pay the deposit first so I can order it.
So what you got over there?
I ain't got nothing. But it don't take nothing but 2-3 days to get here.
Okay.
It don't take like 2 weeks or nothing.
Oh, say that.
Yeah,
so I need a hard ass color then.
Let's see. You can start off right here.
Let's see, man. I need some.
You can't do chrome.
Hell no. I want some flip, some loud.
Yeah, okay.
Like how Edge on there.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to see you some links then. That's really the $2,000 price. The color shift shit, it really costs more. But you know, I've been doing it for my friends for that price too. But even them color shift, it's like a chrome. Even though they plain Jane, but them just easier to work with.
Yeah, you gotta go and send me. I'm saying, go and send me the link, man, so you can go and rock it.
Sound like a bet, man.
Damn.
I need the car key. Don't. Man, that's the deal, man. You ought to see that work I be putting into them cars. There ain't gonna be no shit that you gotta get done in a day. Like it's gonna take 100 something hours to get done with your car. Damn near 200.
Wow. I ain't gonna take that.
Man, you gotta take the car apart. You gotta take the door handles off. Take the mirrors
off.
off.
Door handles ain't got door handles.
Oh, you talking about the Corvette?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's gonna be something hard though, G. I'm telling you, man. The front bumper crazy. I wrapped the Corvette before. It wasn't that year, but that shit, it was hard in some cases. Then you get in the chrome, so that was with easy paper.
What you mean chrome?
I damn near don't even want to do it in chrome. Like let me give you an example. Like these materials, they got the same color background. It's really what's gonna work for that Corvette. This shit right here, it's too thick. I ain't gonna say it's too thick, but like it gotta be some. And I know you want something like that, but I don't think that's the best bet for a Corvette, man. Cause that shit ain't gonna stretch right. And I know you don't really understand what I'm saying, but like, it's like when you rapping, it's harder. Like it's literally harder to stretch this thicker shit. And depending on how your curve's made, it just depends, man. It just depends. I can get it done though.
Nah, I don't want no plan. I keep it black. You know what I'm saying? But if we gonna rock, then we gonna go on rock.
Yeah, I probably can make something happen, man. That should be hard though, man. It'll be a new challenge. For sure. See, that Corvette I did with regular paper, they got flat black, and the flat black was like real malleable. It was good to stretch. It still gave me a hard time.
It's no car right now.
Yeah. Man, shit, we did do it, man. Fuck it. This should be good for YouTube.
All right, so what comes my windows?
Whatever you want.
I want everything.
All right, it'll be 220.
You say you gonna put that with the?
What, you gonna give me all the money right now?
Yeah.
You for the $2,000 right there?
You need to pull $2,000.
I mean, how you wanna do it?
I'm saying.
You wanna pay me for the tent now, or you wanna?
No, man, they going with the car.
You getting that car tinted though?
Hey man, the car already tinted. Like I'm trying to get the deal.
That car tinted?
Yeah, you already did that.
I'm not gonna tint that car for free.
So why you want to do it on that?
I'm saying, I wasn't saying I was gonna tint the jet. I'm saying like I would have tinted if it wasn't tinted, but
That's what I'm saying.
the deal is I'm gonna wrap it
car.
and give you something for free on the wrap. When you give me the deal is give me $2,000 and you get something free. You know what I'm saying? So whatever it is, where it be a lit tint, some chrome, it's gonna be going toward the car. That don't mean
I ain't got nothing
take the discount and then maybe do that for
man,
free.
Come on,
nah,
man.
hell
I'm gonna pay the full thing.
What, 2,000?
Yeah, gotta do tint the car, the whole thing, and do my bed.
Alright, that's a bet. You finna give me $2,000 right now?
And do my rim.
Yeah. Man, you come to ass shit.
Hey.
You just said do the rim. I said one free thing.
Come on, man. I'll do like this.
You got 2,000 cash. We can make something work though.
Okay, man. Damn, man.
Hey, you a hard
boy. You gotta find the rim. You need to be looking for the rim. I mean, the wrap.
What color do you want?
I want something loud.
I'm finna send you the links, man.
Yeah, damn. Man, come on, man. I ain't taking my money, man. I ain't get away from you,